In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use vlookup with choose function in Microsoft Excel. This combination is really useful when you need to perform what's called a left lookup. Normally, vlookup can only search in the first column of a table and return a value from a column to the right. That becomes a problem if the value you want to look up is on the right, but the result you need is on the left. That's where the choose function helps. It creates a temporary table in the exact column order you need, so vlookup can still work. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you know an employee name, and you want to find that employee's ID. In this worksheet, the employee IDs are in column A, the employee names are in column B, and the name you want to search for is typed in cell D2. The result will go in cell E2. To make this work, click into cell E2 and enter this formula, equals vlookup, open parenthesis, D2, comma, choose, open parenthesis, curly bracket, 1, 2 curly bracket, comma, B2 through B4, comma, A2 through A4, close parenthesis, comma, 2, comma, a false, close parenthesis. Once you press enter, Excel returns the employee ID that matches the name in D2. Now let's quickly break down how the formula works so it feels less intimidating. D2 is the value Excel is trying to find. In this example, that's the employee name. The choose part creates a temporary 2-column table. It places the names from B2 to B4 as the first column and the IDs from A2 to A4 as the second column. This is the key step because it rearranges the data without you having to move anything in the worksheet. The number 2 tells vlookup to return a value from the second column of that temporary table. Since the second column contains the employee IDs, that's what Excel gives back. The false at the end tells Excel to find an exact match, which is important when you're working with names or IDs and want precise results. A good tip here is to make sure the name in D2 matches the spelling in your data. If there's an extra space or a typo, the formula may not return the expected result. Also, this method is especially helpful when you want to keep your original table structure unchanged. So that's how to use vlookup with the choose function in Excel to perform a left lookup in a clean and practical way.